Tired of tilling your garden every spring or just looking for a more natural organic method for growing? Give no-till gardening a shot. After all, Mother Nature doesn't use a spade, so why should we? Soil is an extremely complex web of life containing bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and all sorts of other organisms. Disturbing it by tilling disrupts this intricate web, setting back the natural processes that lead to healthy soil. It also exposes unwanted weed seeds, allowing them to germinate. Here are a few tips to prepare your no-till garden. Lay cardboard along the area where you'd like your row or bed, no more than 4 feet wide so you can easily reach the middle from either side. No need to remove weeds beforehand, they'll actually add nutrients to the soil as they decompose. Add 2 to 4 inches of compost on the top of the cardboard to increase the organic matter in your garden bed. Then cover the compost with a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch to help maintain moisture and smother any unwanted seeds. Repeat these steps each spring to ensure a more rewarding garden than the year before.